Welcome to the replay. Welcome to the replay. We did Zumba today. We did it. We did some cardio today, and we did some Pilates today. So I got down on the mat, did some crunches, some planks, some leg lifts. My favorite. I am thirsty for some more. I am so thirsty for some more. Got to do more, 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 more. The scale. I got on the scale. I did. I couldn't wait. Normally, I just do once. I do once a month. I get on the scale, but I just could not wait. I was curious. It is halftime. We are in the third quarter. We are halfway through March Madness. Yes, we are. I got a pink straw too. Yeah, we agreed to wear pink for Zumba today. So I do have a pink straw, but my smoothie is green. You know I stay green, right? I've been raw, raw, raw. I like it raw. We ready now. We ready. I've been on the smoothies. I've been on my juice. And I have cucumber water for you today. That's it, just cucumber. What a pair. Yeah? Green, green water, green smoothie. Quite a pair, mon frere. Quite a pair. We danced. I taught Zumba today and Pilates. So you know I am pumped up because I stay pumped up. Here's the thing. Raw for me. Raw, raw, raw. I'm just going to do raw the rest of the month. Yeah. I'm just going to march it raw. 5 pounds, 5 pounds down, and I am just working to get to my original weight. Since my car accident, I got the herniated disc in my neck and my back, the herniated disc, which put me down for about 3 months. So all I'm doing is dropping the weight that I gained from that 3 months of being in pain. Okay, so don't you worry. Don't you worry. I am recovered. I am rehabilitated. I am recovered and rehabilitated. I am back to my full schedule of classes. I am back to dancing and lifting the weights. And I also have my rebounder at home, Lydia. So that is great for joints. It is great for my knees. And I am able to move freely without pain very much. Hey, Vaughn. Yes. Congratulations, Vaughn. 1 million views. Vaughn, what you doing over there, Vaughn? 1 million views. Mm. I'm going raw. I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Oh, baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Oh, baby, I like it raw. I am shaking it. I am shaking it. You know I shake it for a living, right? Today I have green smoothie. It is banana and spinach. I also have strawberry, blueberry, and mango in my smoothie. And for the protein, not only does the spinach pack the protein, but almonds, hemp seeds, and chia seeds. We green, so I have cucumber water, cucumber, and I sip this during class. Britt says, hello, Lydia. Hello, Lydia. I sip this during class, and then I have my smoothie after class. Right? For them gains, bro, my six-pack is coming in. The waistline is trimming and slimming down. Swimming and trimming down. Vaughn said that's his joint right there, cucumber water. Y'all are on the water bus. Everybody is getting, Britt, you on the water bus? I think Britt is on the water bus too. Adding the infusions to your water. Lemon, lime, cucumber. Vaughn got fancy one day and added strawberry and kiwi. Cucumber water. It is very refreshing. Okay, so when I drink all of the water, I just put more water in there. Very much. Refill the water. Don't throw the cucumbers away. Refill, okay? Put it in the refrigerator at night. If you're not going to be drinking at night, I don't know if you'll be drinking at night. Put it in the refrigerator at night and then drink again tomorrow. So this lasts for 2 days. Don't make pickle juice. If you're into that sort of thing, okay, so if you're into that sort of thing, I don't, you can drink the pickle juice, but I really don't want my stuff to ferment. So 2 days is tops. I will drink this cucumbers in my water. I'll add some limes tomorrow just to zhuzh it up, to kick it up a notch. I am plant powered. I don't eat animals, chicken periods, cow titty juice, cheese, boogers. I don't eat none of that stuff. So that's first. So you don't have to worry about animals or animal products. And then secondly, I've eliminated rice, bread, and pasta. If I do rice, it's black rice. And last time I went to the market, there was no black rice left, and therefore I could not prep my black rice. And I normally do that with sweet potato, zucchini, squash, purple carrot. I'm trying to say carrots and cabbage at the same time. Carrots and purple cabbage, peppers and onions. So I normally do like black rice and sauteed vegetables together, maybe like 2 or 3 times out of 7 days. But since there was no black rice, I just didn't. And I just cut up my squash and my zucchini and my purple cabbage, and I ate that raw, right? And I rather do it that way. I rather do it that way anyway, because when I was prepping for the cooked food, I was darn near eating all the vegetables before I could get it sauteed in the pan anyhow. I like it better raw. So I'm working my way to 99% raw, because I still cook for my family. I cook a lot of beans and greens for my family, a lot of pasta, and I still cook rice for them. They like yellow rice. So I cook it. I cook for them vegetables and rice, beans and greens. I cook a lot of pasta for them, dishes with lentils and soups. And that's where my little 1%, when I do a little taste of what I cook for my family. But for me personally, it's just the way my mind is set. And you can't change my mind. I can't eat bread. You might as well just shove the bread up my nose. It gives me boogers. It clogs my nose up and it gives me congestion. So I'm not a bread eater. I can't do white rice, white pasta. It does the same thing. It clogs my nose up. And that's just the way I've elevated. I've gotten into the habit of eating this way. I don't have, okay, well, yes. Okay, so I've caught up with the chat. I appreciate you guys so much for tapping in and tuning in with the LaLa today. Right on. Enjoy the rest of your Friday. If I catch you again, I will be preparing smoothie with you. I'm going to do some beet smoothies, and I'll be prepping some juice with you Saturday or Sunday. Saturday or Sunday, I will do my juice prep, because for now, I still got green juice and I have beet juice for the next couple of days. So that's what I will be on. Shrinking my waistline, another 5 pounds down in March. Mark me down for 5 pounds down in March. And I will continue to be consistent on the home workouts. You'll catch me at 5 a.m., 5 in the freaking a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right on? Ouch. gotta switch arms. Right on. All right. Drink some water. And I will see you here soon. Smooches and besos.